Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi friends, how are you? I hope you'll have a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is in this hair care edit box that was released by Goop Beauty. So if you are interested to see what it contains this box, then just carry on watching. And if you are here for the first time and you enjoy this content, I will really appreciate if you take a moment to hit the red button, and also you can give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I would love to start a conversation with you in the comment section down below. I think I'm a little bit brighter. Okay, maybe like that. I just have too much light coming through my eyes. Before we are starting with showing you what is it inside of this box, I want to let you know about the foundation that I'm wearing. So yesterday I went to shopping, and in the mall they also have Sephora, and I went and I asked them for a sample of the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I have seen last week they have it, but like I don't know why I didn't ask at that time, but I have seen more people doing reviews, so I was curious to see how is this foundation. And you can see this little cute box they put all the products when you ask a sample. I matched myself actually for the 1N10 shade, which is actually matching me perfectly. But I want to say that at least after the first application, I was not very impressed. I was feeling like this foundation, it emphasized my enlarged pores and slightly my dryness, and I was just moisturized. I have applied this foundation very early in the morning, around 7 a.m., and I want to give it a good go. I think it looked better after I have set it with powder, and this is what it looks now, 4-5 hours later. So this is in natural light. It doesn't look bad in natural light, but I don't know, I think I was having higher expectations, especially because I remember how much I loved their older Ultra HD foundation. That was the only high-end foundation that I have repurchased. I finished 2 bottles, one full size and one travel size. So that was my favorite foundation. At least upon application, it was looking flawless. It was not so much long lasting on me. I'm impressed that this foundation, the new HD foundation, so I have 4-5 hours since I've applied and I'm still not shiny. I have just a healthy glow. So from this reason, it might be even more long lasting, and I don't have so much face makeup. But I will update you in the comment section down below, or I will put a picture before finishing the editing of the video, and I will let you know what I think about this foundation. After I have put on the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, I thought that actually this one from Tarte, the C Hydroflex Serum Foundation, it's even better. It looks better on me, and they look quite similar. You could see that both are like runny consistency, and also I could tell that the Makeup Forever one, it's slightly oxidizing. So I think one of the claims of that foundation, it doesn't oxidize, and I want to say that you could see on my hand that it oxidizes. So just FYI, if you are trying to purchase this foundation, it's not a very cheap foundation, so go to your local Sephora and ask for a sample, see how you like it before purchasing. So I'm on the fence. I'm waiting till the end of the day, and I still have, because they were generous, I still have for 2 days to use it. So I think I'm going to use up that sample before deciding if I'm going to purchase the full size. Before we start, another thing that I failed to mention, I received a month ago this lovely card from a fellow YouTube creator. Her name is Kristie Vlogs, and she's a beautiful lady. She has a good mix of beauty, lifestyle and travel on her channel. She also does daily devotionals, so she kindly sent me this card for the holidays. Just it arrived later thanks to the mail post office, but I failed to give her a shout out since I received it. So I want to thank her for thinking of me, and for sure I'm going to keep her address for future. And actually she wrote me here that her name is Julie, so we have similar name. So I'm really happy and thankful that we got to connect and that I have so lovely friends here on this platform. Returning to this box, the box retails for £45 and the value is £190. All 4 boxes have amazing value. All of them retail for £45. They have released initially 4 boxes. One of them, the hydration hair edit, it's no longer available, so those are like one-time box. They are released and once they are gone, they are gone. So if you want to get your hands on this box or on the other 2 that are still on stock, so the thickening hair edit and the oil control edit, I would highly recommend you to do that. Moreover, right now on the Cult Beauty website there is a promo that if you spend over £70 you get a gift card of £15 to use for your next shopping. So basically you can add this box to your cart and something else and you'll get credited £15 back to your account. And I'm not sponsored, I never worked with Cult Beauty, they don't know who I am. Now this box, it's purple, so I love purple so much, it's one of my favorite color. All the edit have different colors, so the curl edit has the purple color and here is written the Cult Beauty, the curl edit, overflowing with curl care essentials from a rich shampoo to a curl defining mask and uber hydrating treatments. This edit is expertly curated for 2A to 4C hair types. I have no idea which hair type I have. Get ready to meet your new curl crush. And you have a normal plain white box. None of those boxes are a mystery box. You know from the beginning what the box is containing because they are listing all the products, the sizes. You just purchase if you want, so those are not a subscription. Cult Beauty has never done a beauty subscription. They just bring every now and while edits, and also they bring my favorite thing from them, the goodie bag. And this is the sneak peek, and there are some products that I'm extremely excited about. So starting with this one, I think I have had a full size of the Wow Dream Coat for curly hair, 50 mils. So this is a leave-in or sort of kind of treatment that you apply on your damp hair and it activates with heat. So you have to blow dry or you straighten your hair to make this work. So it's a tiny, beautiful little size. Love the packaging. Then we have a brand I never tried. And it's some sort of ball inside. So what is this? Naturally Drenched ND. Rebalance Restorative pH Treatment for all curls with bamboo and papaya. This is a treatment for my scalp. I really need this because I have a problem with my scalp. I'm excited about this. I'm going to try it, even though now I'm using another scalp treatment from Sephora and it's slightly working. I'm going to bring an update about that later, but I'm going also to try this one and I will let you know about this. Then something that I was very excited about and I will tell you in a minute why. So this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3, which repairs and strengthens all hair types. And this can be used or should be used in conjunction with number 0. Now I got the number 0 from Ipsy last year and I never use it because I never got my hand on the number 3. It was all the time when I was trying to shop from Cult Beauty, it was out of stock. So when I've seen this was also available on the hydration box. So that's why I was oscillating between those two boxes. So I was like screaming crazy. I was almost wanting to get both boxes because of this number 3. This says to use it before shampooing, is not a conditioner and it should be used 2 to 3 times a week. Now, depending when you are washing your hair, I'm washing my hair every 5 to 7 days, so you should do this treatment before washing your hair. Then there is a product that I think I have received several years ago from a beauty box, but it was just a tiny little box. So this is from the brand called Paradox, and it's a moisture super fuel face, hair and body oil. And I remember, I don't know if it is the same oil or the same fragrance. Yeah, it smells the same. I remember this being an exceptionally good oil. So I'm very chuffed that I got a full size. I think this is a full size product, and it's also cruelty-free company and Leaping Bunny certified, which is also nice. Then we have 2 products from the brand Virtue. Those are like a travel deluxe size. So we have a curl shampoo and a curl conditioner. Now in each of 4 edits they had different version of this Virtue shampoo. For example, in the hydration edit they had the hydrating, I think dehydrating, the one with blue. Never tried this brand. I'm excited. Maybe I'm going to keep those for vacation, but I am not sure. I will check what other travel sizes I have in my collection. Then you have from the Goop Beauty, this is a Restore Shine hair serum. So another hair serum. Let's see this one. Ooh, this is nice, and you get here 30 mils. The secret to your shiniest, softest, healthiest looking hair, it's glow serum treatment you use before your shampoo. Oh, that's great. Made with cuticle sealing vitamin C, omega rich sea buckthorn oil and shine boosting plumeria monoi oil or monoa oil. This is a pre-wash treatment for stressed or damaged hair that smooths, frees, moisturizes and helps detangle no matter what your hair type or texture. Apply 1 to 2 droplets depending on the length of your hair from root to tip, massaging and focusing on the area of damage, leaving for 20 minutes, rinse, then shampoo and condition as usual. So I'm going to try that. I'm very happy that I got this because I think it's more easy to use this one that it's already prepared than to use my oils that I have to do them manually. So yeah, very good product. I even forgot about this. Then there is another exciting product from Briogeo. This is the Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. So this should be used after shampooing. So it's a normal mask and you get 2 fluid ounces. I have another travel size because this is travel size mask from Briogeo which I need to use. I think that is with kiwi or with kale. So now I have another one that I have to use, but currently I'm using a rose mask from Bulgaria which I also love. And finally another product. This is the last product from the box, is by Living Proof and it's a curl definer conditioning styler. It's coming with a seal on the top. It's like a cream, so it's like a leave-in. Look, the texture, it's very similar with the PhD, at least the scent. It's the traditional Living Proof scent and it's very moisturizing. I feel it very nourishing and it's absorbing very fast on the skin. Now of course this is meant for your hair, not for your skin. This should be applied to wet hair from root to tip. Evenly distribute throughout your hair. Scrunch to form curl groupings. Dry as usual. Okay, so this is something that should be used on your dry hair. Good to know about that. I never had this kind of product, so I'm very excited. And Living Proof is a fantastic brand and it's one of my favorite brands. Everything I've tried from Living Proof was working for me, so I'm thankful that I got my hands on this outstanding product. So we got how many? 1, 2, 3, 9 products. Among them I think 3 or 4 are full size. So yeah, not bad. I cannot wait to start using my products. Now it's your turn to let me know what do you think about this box. Do you think it's something that it's worth trying? For sure, I highly recommend you to go ahead on the Cult Beauty website and check whatever box you think it's appropriate for you. As I said, unfortunately, the hydration edit box is no longer available, but you still have 3 amazing boxes, 3 amazing edits to try from. So I hope you'll find one good for you. A small update about the Makeup Forever foundation. Right now, because I was filming the second part, the unboxing after lunch, so we are like 2 p.m. and I have 7 hours since I'm wearing. I'm starting to get shiny. Definitely it's not a very long lasting foundation. Doesn't look bad, but I have had better foundations, and for sure this one from Tarte, as I said earlier, looks better. I'm going to continue to finish my sample and I will let you know maybe in upcoming videos if I'm going to purchase the full size or I'm just going to say no, the Makeup Forever foundation it's not for me. But yeah, this box for sure is for me and for anyone who is willing to try new and exciting hair products. And also don't forget that they have that gift card that if you spend over £70 you get credited back £15, so I think it's a fantastic deal. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile. By the way, on my eyes, I don't have it right now with me, but I'm wearing my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and on my lips I have the Charlotte Tilbury, the Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Walk of No Shame. And with those being said, I want to wish you all a fantastic weekend. Be happy, be safe, be beautiful. Bye you guys! The product that I'm most excited about are of course, the Olaplex #3, the mask by Briogeo, the oil, the treatment, and of course the Living Proof Curl Definer. But why I'm saying that? Because I'm also excited about this and now everything. Sorry, I love everything. There is